Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot seasoned potatoes. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Instant Pot. I'm going to add a cup of water in here. And I'm going to put a steamer basket down in that I have. And these silicone ones are really handy, guys. Just want to put it down in here. Now I'm making the recipe a little larger because my family's a little larger, but you can scale this back. Now I have some russet potatoes that I chopped up. I didn't peel, I just washed them. We're going to get them down in there. And I would say this is roughly about 3 pounds of potatoes. And I'm cooking supper for like 6 of us. So that should be good. Alright, now that I have my potatoes in, I'm going to put my lid on, tuck my handles down in so they don't get in the way. And that's my grandfather clock going off. That's Henry VIII. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 3 minutes. After my 3 minutes are up, I'm going to do a quick release of the pressure. Alright guys, now that my potatoes are done, I did a quick release of the pressure. I took my potatoes out and drained the water out of the pot. I have it on saute and it's hot. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil in here. Guys, please don't mind that frying sound in the background. I have some pork chops going to go with supper. I'm also going to throw in about 2 tablespoons of butter. With the olive oil, we'll do is fortify the butter so it doesn't scorch as easily. And hopefully everything will work out good. It'll give a good flavor, the butter will. Alright, now I'm going to get my potatoes back in here. And I'm going to season them now. I'm going to stir. I'm going to season them with some salt and pepper. A little bit of onion powder. And a little bit of granulated garlic. You could also use garlic powder. Same thing. Now I'm going to allow these to fry and I'll stir them around. And when I stir them around, I'm going to season them some more on the other side. And when they're golden brown, they'll be ready to come out of there. Alright guys, my potatoes are done. I garnish them with a little bit of parsley. And there's those pork chops I was talking about. Now, if you make a large batch like this, it would be better to transfer your potatoes when they're in pressure cooking over to a hot frying pan with your oil, because you have more surface area to brown them up. You can see I got some brown on there. Let me try my potatoes here. They're really good, well seasoned. And they weren't hard at all. Alright, there you have it, Instant Pot seasoned potatoes. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.